Hello everyone, well we are here in lovely sunny Penzance today, except it's not sunny at all, it's really quite grim and miserly. I don't know why we've come out here today, especially when we've got a really nice barn to ride in, but we're going to have a hop around. We're at the skate park at the moment. It's very wet, there's hardly anyone here because it's very wet, but we'll see how it goes. There's me and Mike and Alex. It's really actually raining quite a lot now, and I hope it stops soon, but yeah, let's see how this goes.
Throttle grip and slippy tyres and everything wet, it all worked out. How many sausages did you get, Jim?
I got 2 baguettes.
2 sausage baguettes?
And a hot dog. I'm going to get a hot dog.
Alex Duck. Was that a tap on a mod?
Yeah. A little bit off.
Yeah!
my god!
Yay! See your foot, see your leg.
Oh, what a start!
Your Rich is back. Leave.
Sausage too, eh, Jim?
Yeah, with 3 of these today. I might even go back for 4.
There's no way that's going to go. Depends where the bike is. Parked. Perfectly parked. Richard.
Ja, Wilhelm. Ja.
I'm starting to feel this was a bad idea.
Yeah, bye.
Easy.
All the way back to. Yeah, leave.
Yes.
Nice.
No, it wasn't.
No, that should
I'm
be
glad.
intro.
Spanking my body, darling.
The 2022, the whole of 2022 spanking my body. I remember doing so many.
Come on.
What, you gay or something? Oh!
Beauty!
I seen that one. Do you think I went?
Oh no. That's better, Mike. Yes! Come on!
Yes.
Straight up it.
That's the plan. That's the plan, yeah.
Yes.
There you go.
Go on, Mike.
Nice.
Go.
That gap in Red Ridge, isn't it? Just having sick gap in Red Ridge. 3. Michael Kowalski.
Michael Dowsey.
Come on. Nice. Nice.
These bikes always been pretty good though, haven't they?
Oh, Rich.
Got it to front.
I went to it.
Lower gap.
So this is friendship. Mike has just given me his jumper to soak up the puddle on it.
Oh, Rich.
I am happy with that. Please tell me that was recording. Well, I am extremely happy with that because I tried this line so many times about a year ago, literally probably a year ago this week, when I was trying to do the, I was making Street Training 7. And I mean, as you can see here, it's like, that's the corner I was just taking off. So it's this rounded marble corner. It's really like there's water everywhere and a gap to this wall, which is not particularly grippy. And it's not a nice thing if you overcook it and go the other side. So very, very happy with that. I will also say, yes, I'm aware this is a memorial to seamen who are lost at sea. Haven't damaged it, haven't touched it with bash guards or anything like that. So yeah, lots of respect, but yeah, it was a fun line. So thank you, Penzance, for letting me do that.
Send it!
Just pushed off like this.
Come on, over.
I think I may have a slow flat. I got on the back wheel and I was like, this is bouncy. Whee! Oh my god. Whoa! Is he okay? Yeah? Is he alright? Oh dear. Oh, he's smiling. He's smiling, that's good. Beautiful. Beauty.
Love the